We have too much stuff at home.
The closets are overflowing.
Let's sell some things online.
Which app should we use?
Facebook Marketplace is free.
What should we sell first?
Your old guitar. You never play it.
True. How much?
It was $200 new. Sell for $80?
That sounds fair.
And my old winter coat.
The red one?
Yes, it does not fit anymore.
And the bookshelf in the garage?
Good idea. $30?
Sounds right.
We need to take good photos first.
Clean background, good lighting.
You're learning fast.
Let's go home and get started.
This could be fun.
And profitable.
Put the guitar on the white sheet.
Like a photo studio?
Exactly. Clean background sells better.
Let me take the photo.
Wait, your shadow is in the picture.
Oops, I will move.
Better. Now use natural light.
Open the curtain.
Yes. See the difference?
Much brighter. The guitar looks nicer.
Take photos from different angles.
Front, side, and close-up.
Show any scratches too. Be honest.
There is a small scratch here.
Take a close-up of it.
Good. Now the coat.
Hang it on the door, full length.
And the bookshelf.
In the garage, natural light from the door.
We have 15 photos now.
Perfect. Time to write the listings.
How much detail?
Size, condition, and pickup location. Listing 1. Acoustic guitar.
Price, $80.
Condition, good. One small scratch.
That is honest.
Pickup only. Our zip code.
Should we accept lower offers?
It says price is negotiable.
Smart. More buyers will message us.
Listing 2. Red winter coat, size medium.
$25.
Gently used, very warm.
And listing 3. Wooden bookshelf.
$30, 5 shelves.
And it is heavy. Mention that.
Buyer must bring help to carry.
Good. All 3 are posted?
All posted. Now we wait.
How fast will people respond?
Sometimes within minutes.
My phone is already buzzing.
Someone wants the guitar.
Hi, I'm Kate, here for the guitar.
Welcome. Here it is.
Can I try it?
Of course. Go ahead.
The sound is really nice.
I bought it 3 years ago.
Why are you selling it?
I do not play anymore, sadly.
I see this small scratch.
Yes, on the right side.
It does not affect the sound.
Not at all.
Would you take $70?
How about 75?
Deal, $75.
Cash or Venmo?
Venmo, easier. Sent. Check your phone.
Got it. Enjoy the guitar.
Hi, I need to ship a coat.
Domestic or international?
Domestic, to Ohio.
What size box do you need?
A medium flat rate box?
That works. $15.
How fast does it get there?
2 to 3 business days.
Perfect. The buyer is excited.
Do you want tracking?
Yes, please. Is it extra?
Included with flat rate boxes.
Great. I also need packing tape.
$2 for a roll.
Should I add bubble wrap?
For clothes, not necessary.
Just fold it neatly inside.
You can use this table.
Done. All packed and sealed.
$17 total. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. My first online sale shipped.
Congratulations. Keep selling.
Hi, I am here for the bookshelf.
Hi, Derek. It is in the garage.
It looks even better in person.
Very solid, real wood.
5 shelves, perfect for my office.
It is heavy. I can help carry.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will take the bottom.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Got it. Walk slowly.
My truck is right here.
Slide it in the back.
Perfect fit. Thank you.
$30.
Here's 30, cash.
Thank you. Enjoy the bookshelf.
It will hold all my history books.
History books? How many?
About 80 and counting.
You need more bookshelves.
If you sell another one, let me know.
Let's count our earnings.
Guitar sold for $75.
Coat sold for $25.
Minus shipping, $15 for the box.
So $10 profit on the coat.
And the bookshelf was $30.
Total profit, $115.
Not bad for one weekend.
And our closets are cleaner.
Win-win.
What else can we sell?
The old blender
And the camping lantern we never used?
and my old running shoes.
Good condition, though?
Very good. Only worn twice.
Let's take photos tomorrow.
Round 2.
We are becoming professional sellers. Kevin, fancy seeing you here.
Sarah, nice to see you.
We are celebrating our first online sales.
You sold things online?
Guitar, coat, and a bookshelf.
How much did you make?
$115.
Not bad. Which platform?
Facebook Marketplace.
I use that too, and eBay.
eBay for what?
Electronics, phones and tablets.
Is eBay harder to use?
A little, but more buyers.
Do you ship a lot?
Every week, I know the post office well.
Any tips for selling more?
Good photos are the key.
We learned that today.
And fast replies to buyers.
That makes sense. Thank you, Kevin.
Good luck with round 2.
That dinner was well earned.
Paid for by our old stuff.
Other people's treasure.
One person's junk is another's treasure.
I found more things to sell.
The old blender?
And these board games we never play.
Monopoly is still sealed.
That could sell for a good price.
And these old textbooks.
Students always need those.
I feel lighter already.
Less stuff, more space.
And more money for savings.
Hawaii Fund.
Every dollar counts.
I love our new side project.
Selling weekends.